Proud na ibinahagi ng dating Miss International 2005, at aktres na si Lara K. Gaman matapos niyang makapagtapos ng Diploma in Early Childhood Education with Distinction mula sa Langara College sa Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Sa isang emosyonal na Instagram post, ibinahagi ni Lara ang kanilang mahirap ngunit makabuluhang journey sa pag-abroad. Ayon kay Lara, ang desisyong iwan ang kanilang buhay at karera sa Pilipinas ay hindi naging madali, ngunit ito ay sinunod nila dahil sa pangarap na matagal na nilang pinagdadasal. Aniya, our family has always prayed that God would lead us to a place where we could be closer to one another and to Him, wherever that may be, no matter how difficult the path. Lumipad si Lara patungong Canada noong nakaraang taon kasama ang kanyang asawa na si Marco Alcaraz at ang kanilang tatlong anak na sina Noah, Tobias, at Moses upang magsimula ng panibagong buhay. Ani nito, leaving behind our careers and the life we know in the Philippines was not easy, but we chose to follow a dream that had been in our hearts long before our boys were born. God has not only answered that prayer, He has done far more than we could have imagined, and He continues to work in us and through us. Ang diploma na natanggap ni Lara ay bunga ng dedikasyon, sakripisyo, at pananalig nila bilang isang pamilya. Sa kabila ng mga pagsubok ng pagtira sa ibang bansa, pinatunayan ni Lara na walang imposible sa taong may pananalig at determinasyon. Today is the beautiful result of every sacrifice and challenge we've faced and overcome by His grace. All this is because of Him. To Him alone belongs all glory, honor, and praise. Thank you, Jesus. Ang kwento ni Lara K. Gaman ay patunay na hindi natatapos ang pangarap sa isang korona o titulo. Sa paglipas ng panahon, nagbabago ang direksyon ng ating buhay, at ang mahalaga ay ang tapang na harapin ito at ang pananampalatayang hindi bumibitaw. Today, as I attended my convocation ceremony, we also celebrate His goodness and faithfulness. I'm teary-eyed typing this, because today is the beautiful result of every sacrifice and challenge we've faced and overcome by His grace.